This is Mul-T-Lock Junior. This is the only Mul-T-Lock that I have not picked. Well, except for that lever lock. I'm still looking for that one. But out of the dimple locks, this is the last one I had to pick. So big thanks to Nightmare for sending this over and giving me the chance to check this one off the list. So a little bit of false set after tapping 2. I believe that was 5. 2 drop, but now I got the false set back. So 1 still good. 2 still good. 3 is binding. Something dropped. Five was binding there. 2, 1. So got a pretty deep false set now. I think it's just a couple inner pins left. There we go. Go ahead and gut this thing. Does not seem to want to. There we go. That's a spooled key pin there. Another one. All right, so there we go. That is the Mul-T-Lock Junior. Again, big thanks to Nightmare for giving me the opportunity to pick this one and check it off the list. So thank you very much.